Let's go. Previously on Kimba TV. Wants to sweep here, I'll take a shot. If it wants to come down here, I'll take a shot. And then if it wants to come back up to the POC again with a bear div, I might look for a short. It just scam pumps up right now, and it hits this again, and there's a bear div, then I'm gonna take that. So, nope, I don't have anything open, but I'm ready for both, yeah? So hopefully I get filled, but yeah, whatever I showed, it's all there. And I have my stop losses paired as well. Happy Tuesday, everybody! Jima, yo, did you get that 28,050? 28,000 wasn't my entry, but yes. So that's one account. And then I also have this. And then I also have this. So maybe like 400 Bitcoin total with Kraken and everything included. If I get filled on these ones too. All right, let's see what happens. DXY looks ugly. Yes, if you remember, we are anticipating DXY to lose 100. Remember that? Look at gold and look at dollar index. Look at the inverse correlation. Look at gold and dollar. Yep. We're going to give away like $25,000, $30,000 this month. Y'all ready? So I'm probably going to give away anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 on the trading competition. I'm probably going to, I'm thinking like $2,000 to $2,500 every week. So that should be like 10K trading challenge. And then every day, starting sometime next week, I'm going to start giving away $1,000 a day. So we should be, my plan is to, I'm going to budget everything right now. And I need to figure out, like, you know, does the top 15, top 10, top 20, like who gets paid? So I'm working with MEXC right now to get all that figured out. Mr. Market Maker says, I'm still looking at that sweep of 26.6, 26.4. It's possible, Mr. Market Maker. Doing that sweep is possible. The most bearish, or like that starts to become a little bit scary. The best structure would be a lower low. Yeah, but it is still possible. The probability, if it bounces here, here's the thing. If it bounces here and it makes a higher low, the probability of being able to make a new high is significantly higher than if you were to sweep this. Do you know that if you sweep this, it might be more of a range? So you would be more inclined to TP here if it actually does a sweep there. Isn't that crazy how the math works? If you do get a sweep here, you have a higher responsibility or pressure to TP here. It might be ranging. If it makes a higher low, you actually have a higher probability of breaking it. So the math is the math. So yeah, anything is possible, but obviously we would prefer the higher low. You know, and could it still sweep here and still break the range high? Yes, but the math is just a little bit lower. It's like a 12% lower probability. So I think it's much better to wait. Here, I'll show you something interesting. Look at this. How can I expect anything to happen at GEX with this much volume at the GEX? Does that make sense? If this was a big gamma, then I would probably say yes. But there's literally nothing at the GEX flip. So I think it's safer to just wait to see what the reaction is. You know, if the volume was a little bit bigger, I would say yes. But as soon as I shared the data earlier, I said that there's no volume. So yeah, who knows? The market don't even know, man. The market makers and the market doesn't even know. So yeah, it's still a Tuesday. Obviously, like Wednesday, Thursday, as we approach like the options expirations for the weekly is probably a little bit better. It's also the first week of the month. The price is making a higher high, but the oscillator is making a lower high. The price is making a lower high. What is that? Kind of looks like that. So on Binance, there's a hidden bear div. On spot, there's a hidden bear div. What I want is this level to get tapped or swept, and I want the oscillator to continue to do that. So, and this is, again, continuation from yesterday. It's been building this since yesterday. So either invalidation of that, or the 1 hour bear div or a regular bear div doesn't hold, then we out. It literally pixel touched me like Bill Cosby. I only got filled for 13.1622 because some of y'all front rim. But I'm adding like maybe 80 on this one if I get filled completely. And then Kraken is going all the way up to the POC. So it's really just this, right? I'm trying to front run a 1 hour bear div. Potentially, yeah, we'll see. But I mean, it's like if I can average that, dude, fuck it, I'll take it. You know what I'm saying? Because it's an easy invalidation, and I think that bitch gonna get swept. So at least it's a clear invalidation, you know? It's kind of fucked up because, like, I'm bullish, but my greedy ass wants a long from here. But also, you know, we are gonna be potentially looking for a sweep at the value area high, and if it does do that, then fuck, we're gonna be looking for like this area to be the sweep. You know, so 32. So you know what I mean? So that is gonna be my first big short attempt, and that will be my second, you know. And then as long as I think we're patient and we wait for an edge, those ones, I'm going to stop myself at break even. I'm not going to really push it like this. The only reason why I have this one running is because I have this one that's kind of like counteracting it. Like right now, it's break even point, right? I'm trying to like maintain the average. But anyways, let's see what happens. Alrighty, but I think it's good to kind of listen to the smaller, you know, concepts about talking about the sweep and what would invalidate a sweep and how it's important that it, you know, doesn't get over golden pocket, et cetera, et cetera. So this chart might be the best one for you to kind of show you exactly. This is the first big sweep. In that case, it can't lose golden pocket. The golden pocket looked like it did a sweep in and of itself, which means that it can't lose golden pocket. This is like edging, but for trading. It's like huh? What? The fuck did he just say? But you know what I mean? So let's see what happens. I'm down to get invalidated. And you know what's crazy? Like I said, this one doesn't count. That's not really a sweep because you got a bear div. But you know, if this sweep isn't gonna hold, then it's gonna be this guy. And then if that guy doesn't, then it's this guy. So, but I'm on the very first one, I'm waiting to see if there's any sort of invalidation, and I can't get one yet. And as you guys know, even if we do pull back, look at this. VWAP and golden pocket. So even if this does make a lower low, I still need to be thinking about and looking at there. So whoever was asking about where TP, yeah, I want 27, but there's a lot of other areas that we got to get through first. There's VWAP and golden pocket right down there. And they could just sweep that bad boy and then go. You got to listen to everything, because then you're going to be the guy after I say 27K, and then you're going to be pissed at me when I show up with a juicy long tomorrow. So basically, it's all the fib levels, the mathematical levels that are going to be coming into play. Sound good? So I need this golden pocket to get lost, for example. You know, we need to start doing that. Then I need VWAP to get lost and turned into resistance, and then we got to make a lower low. Kenley, where is stop loss? 28829. But Kenley, I would definitely rewind and kind of listen to the whole recap. Or you could just wait for the thing. But If this is gonna be bullish here on VWAP and golden pocket, then I might close my thing here and I might long. We gotta stay below the golden pockets on the smaller and the bigger time frame. So I have this position that you're seeing right now. I have this one with a different entry, and I also have Kraken. And so I'm averaging out through the whole system. But yeah, I mean, basically, as we've been talking about for a while now, if we turn this value area low, this 28,725 into support, then I think we're going to see 30K at some point. So I think, where we are, right? Like 28.2 between 28.7, it's about a $500 window that I have, and I'm going to be taking. So it's really more about does 725, because even though I have my stop losses around like 28.8, 28.9, if it does this, and if it's like a bull div, fuck it, I'm out. And what I really am looking forward to is the hourly bear div. So if this goes up, and as it's going up, it invalidates any possibility of a bear div, then I'm also out. So I think there's a little bit of a chance that I might be too early because it is sus, and I don't even know the right way to say it, but it's like it didn't tap certain levels, and I think 4110 should have gotten tapped. So it'd be nice if it shits itself and decouples a little bit. So even if it does go up, like it's pumping from like lower, But that's what we're kind of dealing with. So, and no matter, losing that and going that would be no bueno either. So that definitely you're not going to do a short on that bullshit. So, and let's not forget, maybe I should say this again. If it makes a lower low, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. Once it makes a lower low, I'm going to put my stop loss at break even. It'll become a free roll. And the Kraken canceling. The other 35 Bitcoin or whatever on the other MEXC account canceling. So if it makes a lower low, then it's a free roll trade. I'm putting it at break even, and that's it. It either gets me to 27 or it doesn't. I'll be back on again tomorrow, so we'll regroup in about, 12 hours, 12 and a half. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. You guys already know the drill. Long or short, I could care less. I'm rooting for each and every one of you guys. All right, stay safe. All right, we got fibs, point of controls, VWAP. Do your best. Is this a bull div? I don't know. Stay safe, everybody. Volatility coming in, though. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. All right, we're done with Tuesday. Good shit. We survived Tuesday, so Wednesday coming up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love you guys. Have a great night. Peace.
Listen up, you. Oh, it's the truth I speak. Kimbit is my name, trading is my game. Bitcoin is my focus, charge all my guide. Profit is my goal, so I never step aside. It is just mathematics, a few trading tactics. Fibonacci is my mate, golden ratio on my mind. You got to respect the trend, or you'll be left behind.